So I got the headlight on, nothing is connected, but I mean, better than nothing, right? Everything is a different color, and yeah, but I mean, free bike, use cheap things, make it work, equals fun bike. So now I just need to have space for the speedometer somewhere here. I think I have some. Maybe I can tap and just screw it on, but I don't know. Something. And then just tuck everything nicely. So this is what I've done at the moment. Clean this one up a bit. Needs to be a bit more down here, or maybe to the right, I don't know. Yeah, something like this. It's not that important, but the speedometer is there. I mean, I can see the speed. New handlebars from a motocross I had once. The front light is on. This one needs to be a bit adjusted, but otherwise than that, the cables are tucked in. The ones that don't need to be there is removed. Test fitted a battery. Works great. Now I'm going to do the exhaust. I'm gonna put this little tiny can on. It's a bit small, maybe, I don't know. Maybe I find something else, put that on, but for the moment I'm just gonna weld this one on. The other one has a hole in it, so this will do good. Yeah, so weldy time. So that's how it turned out. I mean, it's too tiny for the bike, but it will sound loud. And loud pipe saves life, I've heard. Yeah, I think this will be it for this one. And see you in the next one. Well, I don't know, probably we have the thingy so I can start it. You can look at the first video when I actually started it, but it was leaking gas. Bye. Bam, and we're back. So, I have the inlet gaskets for the carburetor, both of them. I have a what is it called? Yeah, the one you turn off the fuel. Some new gasket for that, and I also have a new brake disc for the front brake. I also have new brake pads for the front and rear. Yeah. So the gas tank needs to come off anyway to get the carburetor on, and then I can, while I'm doing that, I can replace the gaskets, and then I can put on those, and then we can connect the fuel and all that, and have a startup, see what it sounds like with the new muffler. Yeah, buddy. Carburetor is installed, all the vacuum hoses, everything, airbox, throttle cables, everything seems to work fine. Now I'm just gonna put I haven't fixed the gasket, but I'm gonna put the fuel tank on anyways, and just try if it starts up and everything works. Yeah. Okay, so now I'm just going to install the battery, and then we're ready to give the first try on a start. I'm not leaking anything right now, so that's a good start. But I will just connect the battery, and then we see. Okay, so I have connected everything. The fuel is on, battery's on. Hopefully we have something, I don't know. Let's see. We are in gear apparently. Okay. Let's put on the choke a bit. The carburetor is no fuel in it, so oh, I forgot. I need to put on this airbox. Let's put on the airbox. Now the airbox is on. Jesus fucking Christ, it's loud. Okay, but I mean, it sounds way too much. I need to have another damper on it because it's fucking terrible. But I mean, it runs so sweet, man. All I've done with it is clean the carburetor. I've replaced the rubbers for the carburetor, cleaned the fuel tank. Haven't replaced any gaskets yet, but I will do that, of course. So next on the schedule is replacing the front disc because it's completely shut. Replace front and rear brake pads, and also install this one on the forks. And yeah, and replace the tires with some meaty fucking tires, and then we're ready to go. Service, of course, need to change the oil and the oil filter and the coolant. But I mean, it fires up, it runs quite good, insanely loud, but I've always said loud pipes save lives. So thank you so much for watching this short little video, and see you in the next one. So it's the same day. I went back to the garage. I removed the front wheel. It's over there, so I can replace the disc. And then I'm going to replace the brake pads. And when I'm this far, I might as well just take off the forks and install the fork guards. So yeah, but I'm gonna start with replacing the disc, and then I'm going to also remove the tire and replace the tire with a new tire. So now the new front tire is on. Now I'm going to remove the forks and put on the covers for them. But yeah. I forgot to film, but right now I have sprayed the front fender black and sanded down the gas tank, and now I'm fixing the fuel turn-offy thingy. I have some new gaskets. This one was leaking from this gasket, so I replaced that one, and now I'm just replacing this little thingy, so all the gaskets in this one too. Now I've also painted the gas tank black, and now I'm going to remove the rear wheel to change it to a nice new tire. So now I've soldered the lamp for the headlight. Now I've just took some 240 sandpaper, scuffed it down, and I'm gonna paint this one black. Yeah, and then install the headlight, gas tank, front fender and all that good stuff. So the light is wired up. I have a LED parking light and the other one is halogen. So just to show you that it works. So here we have full light on, high beam, low beam, and only the daylight. So yeah, works great. Now I'm just going to wait for that one to harden. I've spray painted it, and then it will be installed. Another thing done. Now the front headlight is on, front fender. I've modified side plastics from KX80 to fit to the sides. So yeah, starting to look like something now. The light works. Just gonna turn on the ignition. Parking light, headlight, high beam, low beam. Yeah, buddy.